Hello, marhaba, bonjour, privyet, namaste. This is Sandeep here, your property advisor of Dubai, and welcome to my channel, Realtor from Dubai. Do you really don't get excited by Mediterranean or Spanish architecture anymore? Do you want more parks and less houses in a community? Do you want more open space in your house? And also, do you want all of these at affordable prices? Then this video is for you. Let me introduce the latest offering by MR in its flagship community Arabian Ranches 3. This community will have everything that you might need in a perfect home in a perfect community. Bliss at Arabian Ranches 3. Bliss is the latest launch in Arabian Ranches 3, which will have villas inspired by the homes in Santorini, Greece, with white facades and plenty of parks. So let's analyze Bliss with our 4 basic parameters of real estate and find out whether you should invest in Bliss or not. Located in between Emirates Road and Academic City Road, Arabian Ranches 3 has very good accessibility from the major landmarks of the city. With the drive time of 15 minutes to 30 minutes, Arabian Ranches 3 is easily accessible from Dubai Marina, downtown Dubai and Dubai International Airport. You might not be looking at Burj Khalifa or downtown skyline, but you will be definitely looking at either a park or a flowing stream from your property in Bliss. With more than 10 parks, whichever part of the cluster you get your property, you will be just a minute away from the park. It might sound repetitive, but it is true. MR is the #1 developer in entire Middle East. And rather than talking about the brand, let me show you what kind of product MR delivers so that you will understand what kind of finishing and quality MR provides. So today we are at one of the villas delivered by MR. It's a 4-bedroom townhouse, and now I will show you how the layout is, what kind of finishing is being done, and what kind of product is delivered. So right now I'm in a living room, so you can see it's a quite spacious one. Also the windows are floor to ceiling, that gives you more sunlight in the living area. From living room itself you have an access to the backyard. So with the 4-bedroom townhouse, you get an L-shaped garden, more space so that you can do your gardening and any other activities if you want. Now let's go and see the kitchen, which is more open in these type of villas. So you can see it comes with a countertop. There are plenty of storage areas. There is a provision for the stove. You have a chimney here. And again, you have more storage areas here. This is the place for a refrigerator. With the 4-bedroom townhouse, you get 1 bedroom on the ground floor, which is a guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. Now this guest bedroom has a private access as well. So if you have any guests staying with you, they can access the property from the other side as well. On the ground floor, again, you have a powder room for the guests. There is some storage area here. This is the powder room. Also, on the ground floor, you have a maid's room with attached toilet. So pretty decent size for a maid's room. Now let's go and check out the first floor, which has all the bedrooms. You can see the finishing which is done is very high quality finishing. Also in the staircase, you have a full length window that gives more sunlight in the property. So when you come to the first floor, you have the bedroom number 1 on immediate left of yours. You can see the sizes are decent, it comes with the wardrobe, and this particular bedroom is facing the community. This is your bedroom number 2. Again, the windows are floor to ceiling with the wardrobes with decent size. Now this is your master bedroom, and as all of the master bedrooms are MR properties, this master bedroom comes with walk-in wardrobes and a huge toilet. The size of the master bedroom is as usual huge, and this master bedroom has an access to the balcony as well, so you'll be having a view of your community as well as the park. So now you have seen what kind of finishing, what kind of quality MR provides. So the brand aspect of the parameters is sorted. Now let's talk about the pricing aspect. Premium quality with an affordable pricing. That is what MR stands for. With the kind of amenities and facilities are being provided in Arabian Ranches 3, the prices are really affordable. You can get a 3-bedroom townhouse with a starting price of around 1.6 million dirhams, and a 4-bedroom townhouse, duplex, triplex with the starting price of 2.1 million dirhams going up to 2.8 million dirhams. In the launch offer, you will get 50% waiver on the DAB charges, as well as you will get a 2 years post-handover payment plan. So after discussing 4 parameters of real estate, I can say that villas which are inspired by Santorini, Greece with white facade make Bliss a very unique in terms of architecture. Bliss is perfectly located cluster in a perfectly located community. With more number of parks and less number of houses makes this particular community a very unique one. Also, for the first time in Dubai, you are getting townhouses with courtyards. And with all these aspects, I can say that you must invest in Bliss in Arabian Ranches 3. It shouldn't sound weird if I use the FMCG terminology of offered royally till stock last in Dubai real estate, because that is what's happening. Every single launch is getting sold out within a day. So if you really want to get this particular property on your name and you don't want to miss this particular opportunity, then you start calling me on my number 971-54-771-7848. You can also reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is Realtor from Dubai. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Like the video, comment your feedbacks and comments in the comment box below, and share it with your friends so that they will also understand what is being launched in Dubai. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe to the channel, because that will motivate me to make more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday with yet another project where you can invest in Dubai. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.